Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to fix loading problem on YouTube application. Now in case if it takes a lot of time to load a video on YouTube, in this video I will be showing you how to fix that problem. So you make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure that you're well connected with the internet service. Now let us get started. Now first of all, what you can do is just simply long press on the YouTube application. And as soon as you tap on it, there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on app info. So on the other page, you land inside app info. So down there you can see storage. You need to tap on it. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to tap on clear data. And once again, tap on OK. So next what you have to do is you simply have to go back to your home screen. And then tap on Play Store. And right on top there you can see a search bar, so you need to type in the name of an application. So then enter YouTube. So next what you have to do is you simply have to update your YouTube application. Simply tap on update button. So once you've done clearing all your data and then updating your YouTube application, so the loading problem won't exist anymore. So once again open your YouTube application. So here you can see that the loading problem does not exist anymore. So this is how you can fix your loading problem on YouTube application. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.